Hello, today I'm reviewing my new Fashionlite. It's a fancy little light we can use. I'm going to have it outside for our little patio party tonight. We have some guests coming over. I read through the directions, and it uses 3 AA batteries that are not included. So I have 3 brand new batteries that I can use. So there's a remote control. I noticed there's a little plastic thing here on the bottom, so I'm going to pull that out. From the factory it came with, looks like there's a battery inside of this compartment. So I'm going to take a look. When you press these buttons, there's different ways you can use it. Wave, sequence, fades. So I'm going to take this one out that came with the little factory battery one. It looks rather beat up. Maybe it was used for testing purposes, but I'm going to be recycling that. So my new batteries, it has the little plus minus, so you can tell what the polarity is supposed to be. So I'm going to install those and check it out. Alright, so I put the new batteries in, and there's little clips here. Ooh, pretty. Alright, so I press this little button here, and then the remote control can turn it on or off or change it. Oh, very nice. Okay, so the different levels, as you can see, there's directions here. It tells you press it the first time, and there's a combination. So right now it's off, so press it one time and there's a combination. I got the little starry twinkly ones, and see, now it's doing like a slow fade. It just does like a combo. Now you press the second time and it does waves. So these are waves. And then a third time is sequential. Very blinky. And then the fourth time is, it says slow fade. Okay, now it's slowing down. And it goes faster. Chasing flash. A slow fade. You keep pressing for different settings. I like that one. It's very slow and soothing. That's my favorite. And then there's a twinkle flash. Twinkles and flashes. And then 8th time it says steady on. So it just lights up and it doesn't do anything. Oh wait, that looks like a fade. Okay. Press it again, and there we go, that's off. There's a lot of different choices you can do. You could just cycle through all the different choices. Combination, waves, sequential, slow fades, chasing flash. Check that out. I like that. So it's a very cute little light. It's plastic. It's not very heavy. You can hang it up from something. It has like a little part right here you can hang it down. You could also, I'm planning on hanging it from our patio umbrella, so that'll look really pretty. And then to turn it off, there we go. If it's under my umbrella, it'll stay waterproof, so that's nice. It says you could use it indoor and outdoor, so I like that. So whenever we have little twinkly party lights where we want to entertain, we'll turn it on. And this would also be cute for Christmas. There are so many choices, it was hard to decide which one to get. Thank you for watching my video, and I will take some more pictures later when I have it all hung up. Hello, I'm on my patio enjoying my new light. It's hanging from my umbrella, and I'm sitting out here listening to all the frogs in the tree. The tree frogs are loud. So check out the light as I go through the different cycles with the remote control, and enjoy the tree frogs serenading and doing their little song. Very cool. I love this light. It's awesome.